came for an all-on-6 treatment. They removed 19 teeth all in all and placed 6 upper implants and 6 lower, all on the same evening. The results were fantastic. I didn't have any pain or any problem with the implants themselves. I'll return 3 months later to have the healing caps placed. Yeah, again, the procedure went very well. No problems, no pain. It was quite a pleasant experience. Yeah, I would highly recommend them. Being a nervous patient like myself, this is why I had problems back in England. Very good at keeping you calm, making you feel relaxed. Yeah, it was a good experience.